Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching my version of the non-traditional fall tablescape. Now I hope that you enjoyed the tablescape, but I wanted to jump on and quickly thank the host for this collaboration. This collaboration was hosted by Diva Dynasty. The host for this week is Lynn's Lifestyle Living, and her co-hosts are Mysterious Alberta, me, myself, and DIYing it, that's Tammy, Diva Decorating, and Cynthia SheSoBless. Now, I have links to all of their channels as well as the playlists in my description box. And I definitely hope you will go and show these ladies as well as everyone who participated some love today. Also, if you're not a member of this channel, I hope that you'll hit that subscription button, tap that bell at least 2 times. I'd love to see you be a member of this family. So again, I thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.